In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot website tracking code. Now, if you're new to this or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you know exactly what you're doing. We'll keep it practical and straightforward, focusing on achieving seamless tracking on your website. First, we need to navigate to the correct starting point in HubSpot. So open your preferred web browser and log into your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, we will head over to the trial guide feature. You'll find the trial guide by looking at your dashboard. It integrates resources like Sales Hub Professional to get you set up. This guide will be extremely helpful as it sets the stage for what we're about to do next. After reaching the trial guide, our next task is to get into the settings. The settings area is where a lot of the magic happens in HubSpot. To find the settings, glance towards the top navigation menu. You should see a gear icon. That's where you want to click. Clicking on it will open up a wide range of options that will allow you to configure various aspects of your account and your integrations. With the settings open, the next move is to locate the tracking code section. The tracking code is an essential part of monitoring how visitors interact with your website. It's like having a digital diary of your website's activity, accessible right at your fingertips. To find it, look through the menu for options related to tracking and analytics. Depending on updates to the interface, it might be tucked under a subcategory related to website integration or script settings, but it should be clearly labeled as tracking code. Once you've found the tracking code, clicking on it should reveal the actual code snippet. This snippet is the key to unlocking detailed insights into your website's performance and user interactions. Make sure to copy this code accurately. It's crucial for ensuring the data you gather is reliable and comprehensive. The final step involves placing this code onto your website. You'll want to inject it into the header section of your website's HTML. Typically, this is done by accessing your website's backend. Whether you are using platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, or something custom built, ensure you can edit your HTML code. Paste the tracking code just before the closing tag of your header file. This placement is vital as it ensures the code loads correctly every time someone visits your site. And there you have it. Your HubSpot tracking code is now live, and you should start seeing data flowing in soon. Monitor this through your HubSpot dashboard and use the insights to refine your marketing strategies. Thank you for tuning into this guide on using HubSpot's website tracking code.